permaculture, we believe in making life simple and easier, so that when someone comes and is supporting themselves. So this, they told me, if someone needs to clean, to do what? I said, yes. Can you find someone to do the work? Yes. How much are you paying them? I said, no, this garden should pay them the people. Yeah, so this is Munda Wanga, the Peoples and Plants Garden. It's your garden.
Yes.
But it is, you can see things have gone down. It's because everyone is crying these days. You've got to choose who lives these days. Water you have, is it for bathing, is it for garden, for what? So we are at that for the whole year without water. So for the hours that they give us water, we've managed to just revamp our places, but we are kind of telling the story of climate resistance. How can things grow without water? And we told them we grow food without water. And they were saying that's not possible. Well, look at cassava here.
For a whole year?
Without water.
Really? Wow.
Literally, when we came, we only had water from our bottles we were drinking to give it.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is just naturally by itself?
Grown without water.
Oh my God. Wow. Wow.
So what is it making this? Is the responding to these guys, they keep water, they are feeding it through the roots. We're keeping water there for Azola. They are communicating. There's a communication that we don't understand. In the morning, they would get some vapor to them there so that they keep going. In the roots, the big trees are the one communicating, giving them, oh, you're starving there, get this, get that.
Wow.
So it is that. Can we grow food in the desert? Yes, we can, because we can see bananas, they need water, don't they? Can you see them growing without water?
So those don't get watered?
No, but the water is here.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Jonathan, look at this.
No, but the water is here.
But they're growing?
Yeah.
This is something that when you see it, it's hard to believe. Because it looks green.
Yeah.
And with this heat which we're having, especially this season.
Yeah, exactly that. So, you know, I think Jonathan was here when we were talking about we grow water. The sisal now is our proof. Sisal, with water, without water, it will survive. It keeps water. And this is the one feeding this.
Oh.
And also we did water harvesting. Swales, the rainwater for last year.
Yes.
It is the one we're still using on the underground for the whole year. So when we saw that there was no water here, we said, okay, so let's do that. So we can't keep planting things like vegetables, you know, those tomatoes, because they need support when they're starting growing. So we stopped on that one. We said, okay, let's just maintain the trees. And sugarcane is doing very well there without water. Wow. Can you see that? There's sugarcane there.
Those which we're seeing? Yes.
And the second one is, because this is a tree line, this is a grass line. So in the grass line we had the sorghums, you can see them. And there's a sugarcane there in the grass line.
I actually have a question about the swales.
The swales, yes.
I always hear people talk about, you know, building swales so that you can harvest water. Is a swale just a hole that you dig in a line, or is there something special that you do to it so that it can hold water?
So you start from the highest. So this is the highest point, and then you are going. So water, when it's coming, this is the highest, this is the lowest. So it's receiving water. Water always runs
in that direction.
In that direction.
Yes.
So we have to put the hump there to raise it, so that when it comes now, it goes in there. So in a swale now, we also redig. So the idea is that when water comes here, it will stop. Instead of running, it will stop, it will fill there. So when it stops here, it will start sinking
into the...
Yes. So if we dig only here, it only sinks here. So by making it wider, it is spreading. So water needs to spread. So those are principles. You stop the water, you sink the water, you spread the water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that it now feeds. So this well is feeding this area. There is another soil there feeding this area.
Yeah, because I was going to ask as well. You said, you just put at the lowest point, but you also put at the high point?
Highest point.
Okay.
Yes.
But and then in the middle point, can you put, or
in the mid, you can use a hump. Also, a hump is also as well. You stop the water that way. Especially road. Because this is a road. On the road, always put a hump so that water
doesn't.
It stops here. It sinks. Rather than running on the road. You force it to go down, it will go down.
Okay.
Yes.
So those are your two tools, is you have the humps and you have the
swales.
The swales. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And so then what you grow, then only your swale, because you can imagine, things are on the upper land and they are growing well. Can you see this?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So we dig this soil, we put it here. You support it so that it is maintained the shape.
Oh, also it doesn't...
Suppose water is coming from the hill, mountain. That's a lot of water.
Yes.
So the bank needs to be strong. If you are building a dam, you actually raise it high and put stones and stones to make the bank
strong. Yes. So
this is a simple bank for this. And don't leave it open. Grow things on there. Okay. And they will grow because there's a lot of water down there. You can see.
Yes. Yes. Wow. So then you make the swales, you make the bank.
Yes.
You plant something so that the soil holds and doesn't. And it always has to be on the side.
On this side.
On this side, so that the water doesn't flow back into
Exactly. So that's not washed away.
Okay.
Even if we got a flood, this will still hold the water. Yes. Okay. This is still hold the water. But you can see that water harvesting really works. Because we are not watering here, there is no water. And it comes when the staff was sleeping, and this is Munda Wanga. There are only 5 people to help with the whole Munda Wanga. So we responded to that. We said, okay, this is in permaculture. We believe in making life simple and easier, so that when someone comes and it's supporting themselves. So they told me, someone needs to clean, to do what? I said, yes. Can you find someone to do the work? Yes. How much are you paying them? I said, no, this garden should pay the people. They were looking at me, what is it here that pays people? So I came and they sold 1,000 because it's 200 kwacha and 50 per kg, the azola. So someone bought 4 kgs. So I said, and then this one said, where can I take the money? I said, that's your salary. So can you imagine making this every day? Yes. Do you need someone to be paying you? So I said, I will advertise for you. I did advertise, and a lady came and bought, and also went to put it as well, and so to multiply it. So people like that were like, hey, so I said, now add the bokashi. We advertise the bokashi because what is it that we have here? They were burning the dry matters. Oh yes. After they sweep here, they burn this road for them cleaning. I said, no, we need the ash to make the bokashi. So when they have burnt, collect the ash, but don't encourage the burning, they sweep, they bring here. So that's the heap you see there. Which is being, so they sweep from outside here, they bring here. Yes. You know, I always see that even in urban areas, or people mow the grass and throw it outside. And throw it out. Here, it's very rich. Whatever, today we're planning to plant something and leave it. When the rain comes, it's dry planting. When the rain comes, we'll see there will be life. So this is the bokashi that is put here. Can you see? Oh wow! And it's wet. Yes. This hasn't been watered. They watered 2 days ago, but we told them to leave. That's the tank they gave us. But we told them because we're coming to plant. So But you can see how rich that is.
Yes.
So this is soil from here, the bokashi from here. So whatever is planted here will grow and it's a bomb. So I tell them, what vegetables do you eat? Because this is your garden. Don't wait for me that Annie is coming, that's their garden. This is your garden. So any vegetable they said, I said, okay, we'll plant and then you start maintaining it. So it's to make people think that any space of land they have, they can't waste it. You know, we go to schools, we find a huge portion of land is being wasted. We're like, and then they are busy buying food when they're celebrating the government has given us maize for for feeding program, and yet we have land there.
We are sitting on the ability to feed ourselves, and we are not feeding.
Yes. So this is now the second seed fair we are celebrating, and this is our 1 year and 3 months crop here, or what you're seeing here. We set it up before 3 months before October last year.
And this is the
and this is now you can see it now. So if people are wondering, that's the muvunguti there. You can see the muvunguti.
Actually, muvunguti, what?
Muvunguti is sausage tree.
Oh, okay, yes.
You still know the sausage tree. Yeah.
Oh, you know, from afar, I thought it was a fig tree.
Oh yeah, but listen, you think they're dry.
Yeah.
But they're fresh.
This is fresh, eh?
Yes.
Wow.
That's how hard they are. But this is a very wonderful tree, medicinal tree to have. So whatever is here is a nitrogen fixation. This is also producing water. Wherever we have a fruit tree, we have cassavas. It's to help to support with the water because the tubers will have water all the time.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's again.
And they don't fight for. You know the way they say they'll fight for nutrients, or they'll fight for the roots will disturb each other.
They are very happy giving this karitu plant water.
Wow. And
the tubers will be the last thing that we harvest. So the tree will still have that long life with them.
Wow.
These leukinias, they die for the annual plants, crops. They give us firewood. So it's ready to give us for firewood, this one.
Okay.
So it's now ready for firewood.
Okay.
So you harvest from your forest and you replant there. This is our friend. And we've eaten from this one. So because they are stressed with water.
Yes.
So after the rainy season, they will keep a lot of water and we will harvest more from there. I'm praying we will have a flood. So that we can keep the water for 2 years, even if there was that drought. So it's powerful water harvesting.
Yes. Yes.
Without water here, and yet there is life.
And it's fruiting. Wow.
There is life.
Wow.
So, you know, Synthropic for us is a miracle thing. It works.
Especially with the weather we're having now. The unpredictable weather. Wow.
It works.
Where is your second swale?
The second swale is over there side. Things that comes here with life, all these flowers nicely. You will see them coming nice to life. Look at the oranges. The coffee we planted, they died.
Oh no.
These they needed they needed water. So they died. Yeah. Look at this. This is from here now. This is
okay.
Yes.
And this is the bokashi here?
No, this is
This is just
the compost that comes from when they sweep. So you see the place is nice there. We told them, please dump them into our place. That is money. So when they are saying, where is our salary? I said, you have it in the garden. And you know, when the rain rains here, we will have this compost. It will be a nice compost to now make Another beds here. None, we don't till here. We just power that and grow food.
Okay.
There's no tilling. You know, tilling down is just the opening when we are planting a tree or something, that's where you just dig. So there's no dig garden here.
Okay.
Once you don't disturb the panel of the thing, the land. It's just beautiful, look.